Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Is your iPhone a little delay after the iOS 14 update? After installing a new update, your iPhone or iPad will continue to perform background tasks even when it seems like the update has been completely installed. This background activity may make your device slower as it finish up all the needed changes. If you have a large amount of photos, videos and other media, your device will continue to feel slow for longer, and you may also experience quick battery drainage. Today in this video, I will show you how can we fix the lagging. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. The first thing that we have to do, give it a break for a night. If your iPhone is being slow due to background activity related to the update, it's good idea to have leave it plugged in and connected to the internet overnight, giving your device time and space to finish all housekeeping tasks. The second thing that we have to do, update your apps. We have to make sure that all of your apps are updated to the latest version. To check that, tap and hold the App Store. At the third number, tap on Update and check which update is available for the app. The next thing that we have to do, clean up your storage. iPhone might be just the way to make it go faster. To manage your storage, go ahead for Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Under iPhone Storage, delete anything you don't need or you are not using. Next, we have to disable background app activity. It could be helpful to disable background app activity. To do this, open Settings, tap General, tap Background App Refresh, tap again Background App Refresh and turn off. Now we go for next. Turn on Reduce Motion. Reducing motion will helpful for your device. To do this, first launch Settings, then go to Accessibility, tap Motion and turn on Reduce Motion. After that, we go for Clean your browser cookies and data. This will free up memory, automatically making your iPhone go faster. If you use Safari, go to Settings, scroll down, find and tap on Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. And if you are using Chrome, then open Chrome, tap on three dot, then tap Setting. After that, tap on Privacy and tap Clear Browsing Data. Tap again Clear Browsing Data, tap to confirm. Now we go for force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. In the end, we go for charge faster. If your iPhone is charging slow, turn Wi-Fi off and turn on airplane mode. Open control center, turn on airplane mode while charging. It will make it go much faster. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.